I noticed there was coolant along here and up here, and I was kind of confused when I was up here. I thought maybe it was leaking around the seam, so I just dried it all off and looked, and there was still pressure on the system. I've got the cap off now, so there's no pressure, but you could see it, little beads of coolant coming up through. You can see there's a crack there, right there. So what we're gonna do, my parts car does not have a coolant tank on it. They already had removed it, I guess. So we are going to do a quick repair on this, and then I'll order a tank online. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some sandpaper, scuff that up a little bit, and put some JB quick weld on it, and with the cap off so there's no pressure on it. So let's go ahead and do that. So I already cleaned it. Like I said, we're going to take some sandpaper and just kind of scuff it up just a little bit. Try to do kind of a little circular motion here. And that should be good. You really don't need that big of an area, and it doesn't have to be that scuffed up. So I've got the JB Weld mixed up here. Sorry if my hand's in the way. I'll try to put my hand somewhere else. Alright, there we go. Just going to spread this in there. It's more than we need, but just in case that crack is trying to spread, we'll take care of it. That'll kind of level out on its own. And hopefully that'll take care of it. Like I said, I'll order a new tank online. I've looked kind of all over. I don't see any other spots where, you know, it's seeping coolant. Like I said, it was wet along the seams. It could also be leaking along the seams, but it may just be that it was leaking out of that crack and, you know, running down all around and into the seams. So I really don't know. I know it was leaking right there, so we've patched it right there, and you know, that'll hold until the new one comes on. What I'm gonna do, I've got the cap, of course, off. I'm gonna flip it upside down, just like that, so I don't forget that I left the cap loose. And I'm gonna be working on some other stuff, and after that sets up, I'll put the cap back on it. So, thanks for watching. Alright, so finished product. It's set up. One thing I wanted to mention is that this is not a permanent fix. Because if it cracked right here, and this is the original tank as far as I know, so if it cracked right here, you know, keep in mind this thing's 33 years old. It probably cracked because this plastic has degraded and has become brittle, and it's probably going to crack somewhere else. And so this is my first sign that this thing is failing. And so I've patched it, and I'm ordering a new one. It looks like you can get one for about under $50 at least. You know, so definitely not worth overheating your engine because one of these things breaks. So patched it because I drive this car every day, and I'll order one, and probably next weekend I'll put the new one in. So I just wanted to add that, just Don't do something like this and expect it to work forever. You know, maybe if this was a replacement and you somehow cracked it and you know how it got cracked, but you know, when you look closely at this, you can see, you know, you can see, I'm not gonna say cracking in it, but see like right in there. It's definitely old and brittle. So I guess y'all get to see me replace a tank soon. So thanks for watching.